Hi everyone, I am Arun, a person with visual impairment. For the past 2 years, I work as an accessibility tester, Power BI trainer, and training lead at Winvinea, and also I am a certified accessibility tester. I am very much passionate about learning new technology as it helps me to build my career and also open up new career opportunities for my community. When we received interesting and kind of challenging requirement from one of Fortune 500 companies to train their person with visual impairment employees on data visualization tool, my colleague Mustaq, my sighted trainer Divya and I started working on Power BI application. Initially, we started consuming the data. Gradually, we moved to create visuals, data transformation, Power Query, building relationship, more feature in Power BI. We have trained more than 10 people in that organization. Many people believe that person with visual impairment will not understand visuals. We break the myth and we can consume the same information as sighted does. Today I am very much excited to showcase Microsoft Power BI, a powerful data visualization tool with its accessibility feature. Visually impaired like me, we can work with data and create insightful visuals. Let's get started.
Start with P.
Now I will open Power BI application.
Loading Power BI desktop. English India. Start. Heading level 1 Power BI desktop. Button get data. Button. Heading level 1 Power BI desktop. Get data button.
Application is opened. Let's load the data.
Dialog. Get data dialog. All file database Microsoft. All file database Microsoft Fabric. Preview. List Excel workbook. Open dialog file.
I have my sample data in Excel format. I will upload it now.
Pane. Dialog connecting. Alert. Navigator. Search button unavailable. Button unavailable. Search menu collapsed. Display options out of menu. Search edit blank. List with one item. List with checked. Load button. Pane. Pane. Chrome Legos cancel button. Load button. Cancel. Clickable toolbar. Document. Dialog. Type document. Clickable toolbar.
I have loaded the data. Let's create few visuals. I have HR report of a company. Let's find out the employee details.
Control toolbar. Save control plus F6. Report control plus F6. Control plus F6. Application. Collapse or expand the filter pane while editing. This also determines control plus F6. Tab control build visual tabs tab all visual types list up arrow Q and not up arrow decomp up arrow key info up arrow Python visual up arrow ask up arrow matrix up arrow table not up arrow slicer not selected submenu when enter application created a slicer report control plus F6 visualizations control plus F6 application data but tab search edit search blank GENDER tab gender 2 results clear butter tab tree view right arrow down arrow level 2 gender not sit space checked.
I have created a slicer with gender. Let's create one more.
Control plus shift plus F6 button expanded visualization control plus shift plus F6 control tab alt F tab control home tabs right arrow insert tab selected tab pages grouping down arrow out of grouping button enter application Power BI report region stacked column control plus F6 button new visual tab control build visual tab selected one of control plus F6 tab search edit gender backspace one result COUNTRY tab country to tab tree view level 1 table HR not selected expanded right arrow down arrow level 2 country not select space checked shift plus tab level 1 table shift plus tab clear button shift plus tab search edit backspace one result AEAD for UNT tab head count for result tab tree view table HR partial it right arrow down arrow level 2 numeric field average down arrow numeric field head count not selected not checked space checked.
I have created a start column chart with country and head count. Let's create final one.
Control plus shift plus F6 control plus shift plus F6 button expanded visualizations report view button control plus shift plus F6 control tab alt F Tab. Visuals grouping new visual enter. Application. Power BI report read. Control plus Shift plus F6. Control plus F6. Collapse or expand the filter pane while editing. Control plus F6. Control plus F6. Button report tab. Control. Build visual tab. All visual apparel. Metric apparel. Smart apparel. Q apparel. Decomp apparel. Key info apparel. Python apparel. AskRip apparel. Map apparel. Table not apparel. Slicer apparel. KP apparel. Multi apparel. Card not selected. Submenu enter. Selected. Changed the stacked column chart to a card. Control plus F6. Zoom out button. Control plus Shift plus F6. Application. Data button expanded. Tab. Search edit head count. Tab. Clear button. Tab. Tree view. Level right arrow. Down arrow. Level 2 numeric field. Down arrow. Numeric field head count space. Checked.
I have created a card with head count. Let's consume the data.
Control plus Shift plus F6. Application. Collapse or Control plus Shift plus F6. Control plus Shift plus F6. Power BI report region. Card. Tab. Sum of head count by country stacked column chart.
I will navigate into stacked column chart. It will show us country-wise employee details.
Control plus right arrow graphic. Count tab. Plot area list. Enter. Country Brazil. Sum of head count 59,971 not selected 1 of 10. Down arrow. Country Korea. Sum of head count 7,894 not select. Down arrow. Country Japan. Sum of head count 7,989 not selected 9 of 10. Down arrow. Country China. Sum of head count 15,029 not selected 8 of 10. Escape. Sum of head count by country stacked.
Now we'll see total employees who are all working in this organization.
Slicer. Tab. Card. Control plus right arrow. Sum of head count 441k graphic.
4,41,000 employees are working in this organization. Let us see how many women employees are working.
Escape. Power tab. Card. Tab. Sum of head count by country stack tab. Slicer. Control plus right arrow. List setting tab. Gender list. Female not selected space. Checked. Escape. Slicer. Escape. Power BI report region. Tab. Card. Control plus right arrow. Sum of head count 246k graphic.
2,46,000. Now we'll see country wise.
Card. Escape. Power BI report tab. Card. Tab. Sum of head count. Control plus right arrow graphic. Tab. Plot area list. Enter. Country USA. Sum of head count 36,900 down arrow. Country Korea. Sum of head count 1,600 down arrow. Country India. Sum of head count 1,896 not selected 9 of 10. Escape. Plot area escape. Sum of head count by country stacked column chart.
These three visuals are interconnected. If I change in any visual, it will appear in the other visuals. This is how we can create the visuals and consume the data. In conclusion, my experience with Power BI, with right tool and right support, any disability, including person with visual impairment, can excel in any technology. Thank you. I hope it has inspired you to consider accessibility in technology and how it open up career opportunities for everyone.